I want to show you guys something. So for a gift, my partner is so awesome. She got me a chef apron and a chef hat for my favorite team, Protect the Shield. Um, you know the vibes. So a lot of my newer episodes, you guys will see me cooking in my Chicago Bears apron and my Chicago Bears um, chef hat, and I could not be happier about that. Here we are. This is another episode of Cooking with Bishop. Today, we're going to be showing you guys how to make at home your own version of a fried chicken sandwich. I understand the craze that Popeyes brought when they dropped their fried chicken sandwich, but if you look at it, it's just bun, two tomatoes or two pickles, excuse me, and the fried chicken. So I figured, hell man, let's go a little over the top, but also just make something that is a competitor with that, but you can make it at home and make it a little better. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is episode 2. If you like it, if you're new to the channel, thank you guys for showing up. Thank you for clicking on the channel. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. If you are already a part of the gang, I appreciate you guys for showing up again. We about to get it cracking, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, fried chicken. All right, so right here we're just gonna take the milk that we got. I didn't have buttermilk. Usually you want to do buttermilk with this. So what I did was take a little bit of buttermilk and white vinegar and whisk that together for a little bit. Set it in set it in your dish for like 5 minutes. Let it rest. Whisk it again, and then I just toss it into my flour mixture, which is just flour, cornstarch, a little bit of baking soda. Just whisk that together, and you want it to kind of get to this consistency that it kind of is reminiscent to pancake batter. Mine was a little thick, as you're gonna see as I lift up here. Uh, nice slow mo for you, baby. Oh yeah. All right, and here, just like pre-seasoned chicken already, you can season it however you want, but you're gonna dunk it in your mix here and then drench it, and that's just letting the excess seep off. Always clean your chicken. All right, now we're gonna start on the topping. So I got my fried chicken right, or I got my chicken right now deep frying. So we're gonna start our pan for our sautéed mushroom onion mix. So you get a little bit of olive oil and butter, so the pan and everything in it doesn't burn. Then you take chopped up mushrooms, some onion, salt, pepper, and jalapeno. And then I also added um, paprika and chili powder because, of course, I like my stuff spicy. And as you can see, it has like a nice brownish color on it. Those mushrooms turned out very, very nice. And I'm gonna pan over here and show you guys what the fried chicken looks like. And like I was saying earlier, the batter was kind of thick, so it kind of made it dome over some. So it was like really good, but it was a nice crisp over it. Not complaining. So here, guys, we're starting up liquid gold, one of the sauces that I've come up with. So it's gonna be ketchup, mustard, and ranch. Um, Add a little bit of spice to it. We're gonna add some Valentina here, and then right after that, you're gonna put a little bit of sweet in there and add your brown sugar. And I love working with brown sugar, it's so good. Like I was saying. So then you got pepper, a little bit of um, a little bit of chili powder, and then you whisk that together and comes out this beautiful, beautiful like reddish gold color. We're gonna put that on the base of our bun. I did not toast the bun. I understand. I did not toast the bun. I should have. Even when I was like doing this, I was thinking that to myself. Probably should toast it. But you can do however you want to with that. You can toast the bun or you cannot. It's completely up to you. And then we add our iceberg lettuce. Get a nice little bed for what's about to come, and it's the fried chicken. And I added some pepper jack cheese to it. Who don't like cheese, man? Come on, man. Like cheese, it's awesome. And then we add a little more liquid gold to it. Then our tomato, some of that mushroom spicy topping that I have. Watch out that tomato's falling, bro. Catch it. There we go. Then you add your onion ring. And I put those on there. I did those a little later. Some more liquid gold inside of it just to give it more of that little flair to it. Add some french fries at the end. And guys, you have a perfect fried chicken sandwich with your own special sauce. Go for it. All right, guys. And like that, we're gone. Thank you guys for showing up. I really appreciate you guys. Again, if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, hit the notification button to be a part of the squad. If you are already part of the Honor Society, I really appreciate you guys for showing up. Thank you again. It has been Bishop with Cooking with Bishop. You guys have a beautiful day.